Can you hear it? I mean, I can hear this song like So today I'm gonna talk about this little cutie, the Nikon D7200.
One of the best reasons why I love this camera
is its battery life. You can have it outside with you the entire day, let's say 8 or 10 hours, and you can shoot. I have the battery grip, so that means I can have it for at least 20 hours. So you know, you can go for 2 days for landscape photography or street photography. You can plug this into your case and that's it. You know, you don't need anything else. I mean, battery wise, that's it. Number 2, it's wide dynamic range and it has 24.2 megapixels and it's excellent in low light compared to other crop sensor cameras. Specific camera you can easily shoot up to 1000 ISO and you won't notice any grain in the image while you're zooming in. ISO starts from 100 to 25,600, yeah, but as I said, if you use it up to, my personal opinion again, 1000, you're fine. With other cameras can't really do that, but with this one, yeah. Three, it's weather resistant and sealed from the dust. It has durable body which is covered with magnesium alloy. I'm telling you, mate, this one, I went a couple of times for shooting, as I said, in really bad weather conditions. You know, the weather condition was like, was snowing, either raining, and I didn't cover my camera with anything, so it works. Back then I bought it for £1,200, but it was like brand new, no second hand or something. And yeah, I think even if you buy it now second hand, it has exactly the same capabilities. There's no way you will buy it second hand and it won't give you what it should give you. Reason number 4. As you can see here, you can have 2 card slots. So as I said, you have like 2 options in here. One is the overflow for the card slot, so that means if you're going to run out of memory in your first card, that will keep your photos will keep going and going in the second SD card. The second option is the backup. The backup is the best. Let's say your first SD card is going to fail you or something and you have no idea that whatever you're doing is not written inside your memory card. That means, oh my god, what's going on, you know? So that's the backup, and this is, I guess, just for really big and important projects. I never use it in the past like lots to do the overflow. And that's it. Yeah, because if you do whatever you know, like everyday things with a backup, you're going to have like 2 cards for the same reason, while you're going to straight away use your footage. You just put it back to your computer and blah blah blah, your hard drive, so there's no reason to use the backup for that only reason. Reason number 5. So it contains built-in Wi-Fi and NFC near field communicator, which allows you to share your content straight away with your smartphone, share it straight away to your social media and wherever else you want, your family or anyone, you know. Once you learn how to shoot in manual with a DSLR camera, you don't have to worry about anything when it comes to mirrorless. Of course, there are like mirrorless that are more complicated, but I doubt it that mirrorless are more complicated than the DSLRs. DSLRs, as I said, are based on buttons. The combination, as you can see here, you have the ISO. Here you have the ISO, you have to press this one in order to change the ISO. This wheel in here is for the shutter speed, and the front wheel in here is for the f-stop. Reasons why you should buy this one. I mean, one of the reasons why I love this camera are all the ports. Look in here, look how many ports you got, and you pay just £400 for this one. I mean, that's a steal. Also, you have this little monitor, so you can use the light also. Tell you, man, maybe the best ever investment I had when it comes to camera gear. And you know what, I remember I wanted to sell this camera because I don't want to have lots of gear around me, but I don't think I will ever sell this camera. I'm emotionally attached. I will say that, yeah, that's a fact. I'm emotionally attached with this camera, and I think I have lots to do still with this one, and I will definitely try out the video. I never try like in-depth camera, but once I have like an external monitor, which I'll try with my Canon, I will also try with my Nikon, so it's gonna be easier for me to watch what I'm recording, because it doesn't have a flip out screen or something, as you can see. So for me it's gonna be very difficult to have my camera like that and just record without even watching what I'm doing. Like, subscribe and comment and share, mate. Happy birthday, happy new year, happy Hanukkah, and see you in the next one. That's it. If you don't have anything to do, just watch this video, give a thumbs up or down. Thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you soon. And by the way, I hope till I see you in the next one.
It's the 300 subs.
I hit record drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, finished friends